Hey, welcome Internet people. Today on Urban Prospectors, we're going to teach you how to save a couple bucks on quite a few of the purchases that you normally make. So one of the easiest ways is just to shave a few percent off of your normal purchases. And a great way to do this is by purchasing gift cards. So there's a site online called Gift Card X or GCX, formerly known as Raise, and you can buy and sell gift cards on this platform. And when you buy gift cards, you can get a discount from 2-3% all the way up to 20, 25, 30%, depending on what store it is and what the market is currently. I've used this in the past to buy product that I would get a deep discount on already, use this to stack another discount on top of it, and then get a product super cheap and turn around and flip it back on Amazon and make a profit. So if you make regular purchases at, say, hardware stores or automotive stores, office supply stores, Amazon, Walmart, Target, stuff like this, just your standard purchases, you can come to this website and you can stack a savings on. And not only do you get the initial savings from whatever the discount on the card is, but hey, if you take it one step further, you can use a rewards credit card and stack another percent or two on top of it. So you can take a 10% discount, add another 2% with, say, like a Capital One Spark card, and you're at 12% discount. So you buy a $500 card and you've got $60 off. So let's jump into the website and take a look at it. We are over on the website, and here you can see the discounts that people offer or different companies. We have anything from travel to food and beverage, do-it-yourself. Currently, Home Depot has up to 6.46%, whereas Lowe's has 11%. You can get a 8.9% off on Amazon. We check into Amazon, see what the value of the cards are. So we can get 9% off of a $500 card, and there's 15 of these available. Now you can get these in increments of $25 up to $1,000, depending on what the market has available at the time. So depending on the demand, the discount will go up and down. If the supply of the cards is real high and the demand is low, then the discount will start going higher. Like Papa John's has a 23.5% off card right now. Now you also earn some other credits back from Gift Card X when you purchase cards. So if it's your first purchase and you're trying to buy a high dollar card, you'll have to go through a waiting period. But if you've used this site before and checked out with them regularly, I've gone into Home Depot, and while I was standing in line, purchased a card, had it delivered to my email account, and used the code and got the discount immediately. And a couple other places that you can stack some discounts on this. If you're a vet, don't forget to get your veterans discount at places like Home Depot and Lowe's. You can also get tax exempt stacked on top of this if it's for resale, and you're using this for your business purchases. So there's other ways to definitely increase your percentages off of items. All right, so Raise is a great place to get a savings on your purchases every time you make a purchase, be it online or in store. You can go there and find the stores that you normally go to. You can put alerts in. Remember, GCX also has a rewards program, so you earn credits back every time you either refer somebody or make purchases on certain cards. Use this for travel, use it for your food and beverages when you're going out to eat, or even just daily lunches. You can use this for your businesses. I mean, just there's all sorts of benefits to being able to get 5, 10, 20% off of your products all the time. leave a comment if you've ever used GCX before, or if you're into using discounted gift cards. And then like my stuff, go ahead and share it with somebody, and be sure to subscribe. We'll talk to you guys on the next round. Appreciate you guys.